Welcome! Today, we're diving into the simple joy of perfect scrambled eggs on toast. It's a classic for a reason, and with a few tips, you can elevate this everyday meal into something truly special. You'll need just a few key ingredients: fresh eggs, a touch of butter, your favorite bread, and a pinch of salt and pepper. The magic happens in the technique. Gently whisk your eggs until just combined, avoiding over-mixing. Melt your butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour in the eggs and let them set slightly before gently pushing them around the pan with a spatula. The goal is soft, creamy curds, not dry, rubbery bits. Toast your bread to your desired crispness. Serve those beautiful, fluffy eggs immediately atop your warm toast. It's a comforting, satisfying dish that's incredibly versatile. Enjoy this delightful start to your day or a quick, nourishing bite anytime. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this, feel free to follow for more simple, delicious recipes.